Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add video into text with zoom effect on Filmora. This video shows step by step how to add video inside text and apply smooth zoom effect to create the stunning intros, title sequence or dynamic transition. This is perfectly used for travel vloggers and anyone looking to add professional touch to their edits. Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. So first you have to open the Filmora, then you have to go to stock media. Here you have to select the black background. Then you have to go to title. You have to select the default title. So default title you have to use this. Here you have to edit the title, what you need to add in your video. So I am using for Himalayas. So I have to change the font. You have to use the bold font. Any font you can use, but the font should be bold. So we have to increase the size of the font. That's it. Now we are going to create a snapshot. So what we are doing for this, for using the text, we are not able to add the zoom in effect. So we are create the background and the text as a image. So we have to remove this. Then you have to add the snapshot into timeline. Then we have to add the background of the video. So I am using this. Already I have downloaded the video. So I am using this. So the video should be for the first timeline. So we have to set up this. So first we have to use the zoom in effect. So we have to select the image. Then we have to right click and click on the crop and zoom. The crop and zoom window, you have to select the pan and zoom. Then you have to select the end. Then you have to reduce the size. Then you have to move into the larger portion of text. So maximum you have to reduce the size. Then you have to click apply. Now the zoom effect has been properly applied for the snapshot. So now we are going to mask the image. So we have to select the image. Then you have to click on the composition. Here blend mode should be darken. That's it. So now you can check it out the video. Fine, this is worked perfectly. You can also preview the video. Perfect. In this way, you can add video into text with zoom effect on Filmora. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.